Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have such a fun and bright collection to share with you guys from Sally Hansen Canada, and this is their new limited edition Miracle Gel Neon collection. This collection consists of 6 new limited edition shades in a couple different finishes, and I'm going to be swatching each of them in rainbow order. This line is called Miracle Gel, but they act like regular polishes, so you don't need a UV or LED light to cure the polishes. Now let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. They do recommend to use a white base underneath to get a more vibrant neon look, so for all of my swatches today I'm going to be using Sally Hansen's Get Mod, which is a white cream polish. I thought I'd first swatch Get Mod on its own, and I used 2 coats plus the Miracle Gel top coat, but under my swatches of the neon polishes I just applied 1 coat because I didn't need it to be completely opaque, I just needed a white base for the polish to pop. Moving on to the neon polishes, I'm starting off with Floresc-Pink, which is a very bright neon fuchsia pink polish with some blue pearl shimmer. With just 1 coat over the white base, it applied very evenly and you could totally stop there, but I used 2 coats and I feel like the pink just got a little more neon with that second coat. It does dry to a slight satin finish, so I applied the Miracle Gel top coat to seal in the color and add a glossy shine. So here are 2 coats of Floresc-Pink over Get Mod. The second polish in the collection is called Squeeze the Day, and this is a neon orange jelly polish loaded with some golden flecks. The golden flecks are so pretty and make it so unique in my collection, and I love how that neon orange pops over the white, but if you are going for a more jelly look, I would skip the white base. This one also dries with a semi-satin finish, so I applied the Miracle Gel top coat on top, and here are 2 coats of Squeeze the Day over Get Mod. The yellow in this collection is called Sunshine On, and it's a neon yellow jelly polish that's packed with some green and blue pearl shimmer, very similar to the shimmer that was in Floresc-Pink. This polish definitely benefited from that white base underneath. I was able to get a very bright yellow shade with just 2 coats, and again I topped it with the Miracle Gel top coat. So here are 2 coats of Sunshine On over Get Mod. Next is Electri-lime, which I would describe as a pastel neon green cream polish. I love pastel neons and I feel like they're a little more wearable than traditional neon polishes. This one is super creamy and opaque in 2 coats. I feel like this one didn't even need to have that white base underneath, but anyways, here's 2 coats of Electri-lime over Get Mod. Moving along the rainbow, this is Chill Out, and I think this one's my favorite from the collection. I'd describe it as a blue jelly polish that's filled with some golden flecks, similar to the ones in Squeeze the Day, which was that orange polish I swatched earlier. I applied 2 coats over Get Mod, but I think this would also look really cool as a jelly polish on its own, but you may need to apply a 3rd coat. So here are 2 coats of Chill Out over Get Mod. And the last polish in the collection is Feelin Grape, which is a purple jelly polish. I liked the purple color over the white, but for me the formula was a little bit finicky to apply over the white polish, so I think I would prefer to wear this on its own as a more traditional jelly polish. If you are going to apply it over a white polish, just make sure your white base is nice and smooth and that you don't have any imperfections like dents or fingerprints or anything, because those will show through the jelly polish. Again, this one dried to a satin finish, so I applied the Miracle Gel top coat on top. And here are 2 coats of Feelin Grape over Get Mod. So here's one more look at the swatches of the 6 new limited edition shades in Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel Neon collection. At least in Canada, these polishes should be available anywhere Sally Hansen polishes are sold. But anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which polish is your favorite from the collection in the comments down below. And if you want to see some fun nail art using these polishes, then stay tuned for my next video. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!